Hello, I'm Oluwasegun Fasanya from Insurance. I'll be representing Group 16 on this assignment. My group and I will be discussing the topic, the web, social media, and e-commerce. So here's our table of contents. We'll be talking about, firstly, we'll be talking about the basic concept of the web, social media, and e-commerce. Secondly, we'll be talking about how they affect business enterprises. And thirdly, we'll be talking about the role of um, the web, social media, and e-commerce to business growth. And lastly, we're talking about the advantages. So I'll be taking you through this, through the concepts. So the use of the web, social media, and e-commerce has witnessed a rapid growth over time, with several people making purchases online. So many businesses have opted to take advantage of this opportunity presented by the web, social media, and e-commerce to improve their businesses and also to make more customers. So the truth is, this is a worthwhile inclusion in online marketing strategy, online marketing campaign. So what is a web? A web is an internet-based um, distributed information system. So anyone with the computer connected to the internet can retrieve information by a web address or by clicking a mouse button. So a web is a great way to disseminate information and make it available 24/7. So this information can also be collected from web users and also the customers through online form. So all this make the web a powerful tool for mass communication, e-business, and e-commerce. So here are the components of the web. Number one, network. Network comprises of the LAN, that's local area network, and also the WAN, wide area network, which connect with the computer to form the internet. Secondly, we have the clients. Clients, clients, the web browser that enable the end user to access information on the web. Thirdly, we have the server. What do we mean by server? Server is a constantly running program that serves information, a constantly running program that serves information on the web. And fourth component, we have the document. What do you mean by document? Documents are web pages, mostly coded in HTML. So they supply information on the website that serves information on the web. And fourth component, we have the document. What do you mean by document? Documents are web pages, mostly coded in HTML. So they supply information on the website. So lastly, we have the protocol, which entails the HTTP, that's the hypertext transfer protocol. So this actually allow the web client to talk to one another. So all this basic understanding of the components and how they work together lays a good foundation for web design and also for programming. So moving to social media, what is a social media? A social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the share of ideas, thoughts, and information through the building of virtual networks and communities. So examples of social media are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the likes. So the stat shows that more than 4.5 billion people were on the internet as at 2020. So this means that nearly 60% of the world population are on the internet, like they use the internet. So this make it an important avenue to market goods. So moving to the to e-commerce, what is e-commerce? E-commerce means buying and selling of goods and services on the internet. So it is also known as, we know that it means what's it called? It means electronic commerce. So electronic commerce. So nearly every imaginable product and service is available through e-commerce transaction. So including the likes of books, magazines, plane tickets, financial services like stock investing, and also online banking. So all these contribute to e-commerce. So e-commerce can be done in four ways. We have the business to business, we have the business to customers, we have the customers to business, and lastly we have the customers to customers. So moving from there, we have examples of e-commerce. What are the examples of e-commerce? We have the likes of
And I'll be talking about the impact of social media, web, and e-commerce in businesses. One of them is they help to raise brand awareness. So as a business, you have to constantly maximize profit, and one of the best ways to do that is to increase brand awareness. And social media, web, and e-commerce, they made that very easy, because with a simple ad, you can easily you can promote your business to meet people that are willing to patronize your business, people that are interested in your profit, and that increases brand awareness. Another one is brand engagement. It is one thing for people to patronize, to be aware of your brand. Another thing for them to engage with it is another thing for them to patronize it. Social media provides a platform that makes you put out things that attracts customers to want to engage, and it actually increases customer engagement with your brand. It also increases customer loyalty, because social media, e-commerce, web, they've made it very easy for customers to access your businesses. And if a brand that serves good products, that offers good services, is really accessible, customers will always come back. You can actually sell good products, render good services, and then customers are finding it really hard to meet you. It has a negative effect on customer loyalty, because it will be hard for them to come back to your brand. But social media, web, e-commerce, they've made it very easy for customers to always reach out to brands. So it has increased customer loyalty. It has also increased the number of small businesses we have out there, because web, e-commerce, and social media, they've made it very easy for small businesses to start up. It is very cheap. With a social media account, you can actually start business. With a website, you can easily, you can start a business. So it is very cheap and it is easy. So because of that, we've had more businesses in existence right now. And most importantly, social media, web, e-commerce, they've greatly affected profits in businesses. They've increased sale. They've helped brands maximize profit, because they make shopping very easy for customers. And if shopping is easy for customers, it means that sales increases for businesses. Customers can literally shop at the click of a button. They can shop at the comfort of their home. So it makes it very easy for them to repeatedly buy, patronize brands, and it makes brands maximize profit. Thank you.
Web, social media, and e-commerce. Well, before diving into the role of web, social media, and e-commerce, it is very germane to look at the rise of web, social media, and e-commerce, because it has given us far more than just the capability and the opportunity to connect with friends and other relatives. So it has also given a modern entrepreneur the capability that was not possible several decades ago. So if you are an online or offline business, if you are having online or offline business, you can't disregard the impact of web, social media, and e-commerce if you want your business to thrive. Now let us look at some of the roles of web, social media, and e-commerce. So the first role is cheaper startup cost. With the help of web, social media, and e-commerce, it has made starting a business simple and cheap due to low cost of capital. And the other one is supplier research. So this gives us the opportunity to look for the best and cheapest provider without taking much stress. So, and the third one is work outsourcing. So these components give us the capability of outsourcing some of the work in our business, some of the platform for these Upwork and Rackets, and it also enhances smart marketing. So with the help of social media advertising, we can target our adverts to our targeted customer. And the last one, which is quick feedback analysis. So web tools like Google Analytics and Facebook advertising dashboard made lots of data available for suppliers, customer, and also checkmate the business and how is thriving.
Hello everyone, my name is Eniobamo Ayodeji. I'm going to talk about the advantages of the web, social media and e-commerce for business growth. Number one, marketing benefits on the web, social media and e-commerce for business. Business can get benefits by using effective web and social media marketing strategies. The various top quality advertisement platforms on the web and social media that help in getting a loyal customer, build trust and increase workplace productivity. Automation of repetitive marketing tasks and campaign tracking tools are really beneficial for business to utilize. Number two, market research for a business plan and marketing strategies on the web, social media and e-commerce. Another big advantage of the web, social media and e-commerce for business is to conduct market research online. Market research is important before starting any business, launching an ad campaign, buying a new domain, writing a blog post, and even posting content on social media sites. Web, social media, and e-commerce helps get consumer data demand for particular products and services, user behaviors, and tools to track and monitor website traffic in real time. Number three, improve workplace and business productivity. The web, social media, and e-commerce for business is really a profit-making tool that is important to use according to customer behaviors on the web and social media. Using productivity tools, business process automation tools, marketing automation, and cloud computing technologies in business are the way to improve productivity in the workplace by using the web, social media, and e-commerce. Number four, marketing automation platforms. The use of marketing automation platforms for business is another advantage that is currently in demand. Automation means web, social media, and e-commerce application. The software is used to manage, run, and grow the business. We can automate all the repetitive tasks of our business. We can automate social media marketing, content marketing, and email marketing, sales customer marketing, employment management, and business inventory management works. Number five, open door for clients 247 business services. The web, social media, and e-commerce is running all the time. People are making use of them around the world according to their time. Now, take advantage of the web, social media, and e-commerce. We can create market products and services on the web 24 hours. For example, an e-commerce website can sell 24 hours. Almost everyone knows about Google, Facebook, Amazon, etc. They are big companies and they become successful because they were open 24 hours. Number six, customer support. Customer support is the most essential part of the business process. Using social media pages, chat plugin on a website is very beneficial and less costly to solve customer problems without the visiting physical location of the business. They simply comment about the problem on your website and social media pages, and we have the option to provide a solution in real time. Number seven, remote staff and outsourcing. If we want a designer, app developer, then we can hire talents on the web and social media. Hiring remote staff is not only reducing cost, but also it is a great option to access the worldwide talent. Number eight, employee training and development. Employee training and development is very important to grow and run a business successfully on the web and social media. There are various methods that the staffs can access and they can improve their skills at their own pace. Number nine, internet banking. Internet banking, payments, wallets, mobile banking, POS machines, and all kinds of banking services enable business owners to speed the business transaction. One can pay, transfer, and receive money online from customers. One can also pay employees digitally by using the web. Number 10, Employee engagement. The web, social media, and e-commerce allows business owners to increase employee engagement to achieve business and personal goals using web applications and tools. Encourage employees to use his or her knowledge for development of the business. Employee engagement tools such as Slack, Trello, Skype, etc. help them to be productive in the workplace. Lastly, business development consultants. Any business owner needs a solution and detail for a particular problem with facts and data. If a small business owner got a problem and need any sort of advice and suggestion, then it is tough to find the right people offline quickly. They existed, but the web and social media is the source to find the solution for a business problem. Thank you.
I'll be talking about e-commerce, how it affects the business and business consultants. Okay, for a business development consultant, the need for social media and e-commerce cannot be emphasized enough. The business owner needs a solution and details for a particular problem with facts and data. If a small business owner has a problem or he needs sort of advice and suggestion, or it's very tough for him to find people offline. So now the internet can serve as a solution for a business problem. There are lots of information and knowledge for a business or small business owner on the internet. You can just check Google, you can get solution. They can also chat with different online business consultants by using, there are lots of apps like Zoom, video referencing, Google Hangouts and all. They can also read advice on blog, reports, even on the TV they can get everything. So marketing through social media and e-commerce help business in several ways. Like it helps them to measure ways to track performance of different strategies, channels and all. It improve performance of strategy like ad campaign, adverts, and it's also cost effective. Avenue of learning sales, increase sales. Avenue of learning sales, increase sales too. Low cost of earning for launching strategy channels. It also provides a level and cost-effective playing field for your company to compete with competitors. And I think that's all I have to say about e-commerce and how it affects the business development. Thank you.